about adjective, I told you on that day, if I'm not forgetting, that we are not looking into this one, but just for understanding, I told you before that we are having two types of adjectives, right? If I am not forgetting, I might have told you earlier, favorable, non-favorable, right? I'm not looking into the grammar point. I'm just looking in the our own understanding. આપણી understanding માટે આપણે વાત કરીએ તો, right? There are two types of adjectives, that is favorable, non-favorable. In the sense, if somebody is praising you, right? All the time, sometimes somebody is praising you, we like it. है ना? You are very good, you are very excellent, this girl is very nice, this boy is smart, this, that, smartest one, right? If these type of અને ગુજરાતીમાં વખાણ કહેવાય, જો સતત આપણા વખાણ થાય, right, then it is called favorable, right? Then we like it, isn't it? We like it. We like when somebody praise, appreciate, okay? Then non-favorable means sometimes some people are telling us negative things about us. Negative, negative. નકારાત્મક આપણું જે લક્ષણો છે અથવા તો વર્ચ્યુઝ છે એ ક્યારેક બતાવી શકે છે. જો જ્યારે નકારાત્મક વર્ચ્યુઝ આવે એને દુર્ગુણ કહેવાય, right? And only virtues, that is gun, that is sadgun, right? So some people, they all the time, telling us or using adjectives in negative manner, that is non-favorable, okay? That is non-favorable. So sometimes we don't like this, ક્યારેક આપણને ગમતું નથી, right? But if it is truth, then we have to accept it, because એક સમજો વાત કે હંમેશા સારા ને સારા એક્ઝેક્ટિવ્સ તમે તમારા તરફના અથવા તો તમારા માટેના અથવા તમારા પક્ષના કે હંમેશા મારું સારું જ સાંભળવું છે, બરાબર? તો શું થશે? યોર પ્રોગ્રેસ વિલ બી સ્ટોપ્ડ. what will happen if continuously the people will be telling you in only favorable, 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 or good things, good things, good things, then what will happen? તો શું થશે? Right? Our progress will be stopped. Somebody must be there, કંઈક એવું હોવું જોઈએ in our life who tells something negative part also, જે આપણા negative part પણ કહે, right? Which lead us to the progress, to the success. Understood? સમજાય છે બધાને? બરાબર? એનો મતલબ એ છે કે કોઈ નોન ફેવરેબલ એક્ઝેક્ટિવ કહેશે ને, એનાથી શું થશે? શું થશે? આપણી પ્રોગ્રેસ થશે, આપણે સક્સેસ મળશે, રાઈટ? આપણે ગ્રામેટિકલી જોઈએ એક્ઝેક્ટિવને તો ડેફિનેશનમાં તમે જુઓ, ધ વર્ડ વિચ એડ સમથિંગ ટુ ધ મિનિંગ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એક્ઝેક્ટિવ. બટ હિયર વી આર ઇમ્પ્રુવિંગ ધીસ ડેફિનેશન and we are adding something more, that is the word which is adding something extra in the meaning of noun, it is called adjective. Understood? Got it? What is the meaning of adjective? The word which adds something extra in the meaning of noun, it is called adjective. Now, as I told you earlier also, that adjective can be with the ing also. Adjective can be with the different, you can say, what is it called? Past participle also, right? Past participle can be used as adjective. Present participle can be used as adjective. બરાબર? એટલે કે વર્તમાન કૃદનને તમે એક્ઝેક્ટિવ તરીકે ઉપયોગ કરી શકો, ભૂત કૃદનને તમે એક્ઝેક્ટિવ તરીકે ઉપયોગ કરી શકો, રાઈટ? ડિપેન્ડ્સ એ સેન્ટેન્સ ઉપર આધારિત છે, રાઈટ? સેન્ટેન્સ કેવું છે મેં તમને અહીંયા કીધું એ પ્રમાણે. જો યુઝ ઓફ એક્ઝેક્ટિવ્સમાં તમે જુઓ, એટ્રીબ્યુટિવ યુઝ એટલે ગુણાત્મક, અને પ્રેડિકેટિવ. પ્રેડિકેટિવ એટલે વિધેયાત્મક, એટલે કંઈક નિર્દેશ કરે, સમથિંગ ઇન્ડિકેશન, ઇટ ઇન્ડિકેટ્સ સમથિંગ, ઓકે? દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ નિર્દેશક. નિર્દેશક ઇન ધ સેન્સ કંઈક નિર્દેશાત્મક રૂપ એ શબ્દ ધારણ કરે, અને એ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીં તમે જોઈ શકો છો એટ્રીબ્યુટિવમાં, એટ્રીબ્યુટિવ એટલે ગુણવાચક. તમને ખબર છે મેં તમને શું કીધું કે આપણા વખાણ કરી બધા આપણા ગુણ જ હોય, રાઈટ ને, સારા ગુણ હોય. પણ આમાં બે રીત છે ભાઈ. There are two ways. સાંભળજો. When somebody is praising you, it doesn't mean that in real sense they are praising you. બરાબર, સાચી રીતે આપણને પ્રેઝ કરતા નથી, પણ they are praising in ironical language. Attributive મેં તમને કીધું એ પ્રમાણે ગુણવાચક. See that ગુણવાચક means here colors also can be considered in that. I have red pen, right? That is a simple example. Then predicative, that is vidayatmak or something indicating, that is nirdeshak, means nirdeshatmak. She was an obedient girl, right? So એ શેનો સારાપણાનો? Obedient એટલે શું? What is the meaning of obedient? Following of instructions, that is obedient, right? So એ અહીંયા સારો એક નિર્દેશ કરે છે. પછી ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ એક્ઝેક્ટિવમાં આપણે આગળ જઈએ તો એનું સૂત્ર તમે જોઈ શકો છો. સૂત્ર ઇન ધ સેન્સ ફોર્મેટ તમે જુઓ, ફોર્મેટ જુઓ. ક્યુ ક્યુ ડી ડી ઈ પીઈ એન પેન એન્ડ આઈપી મીન્સ ધીઝ આર ધ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ. આ અલગ અલગ ટાઈપ્સ છે. ક્વોલિટેટિવ, ક્વોલિટી એક્ઝેક્ટિવ, દેટ ઇઝ ગુણવાચક વિશેષણ. ક્લેવર, બ્રેવ, ગુડ, ટોલ, વ્હાઇટ, બ્યુટિફુલ. Okay. Then quantity means some, any, no, which shows more than one. That is quantity. No, little, much, all, whole, enough, most, etc. Demonstrative means which is showing something, these, that, there, these and those. Okay. That is, and distributive. What is there in distributive? Vitrak, it is every, each means vitrak in the sense which is distributing not only to one but in the group. બરાબર, ગ્રુપમાં એ વિતરણ કરે છે, right? That is every, each, either, neither. Okay. Then exclamatory, you know what is exclamatory? Already udgar, it starts with what and another how, right? When assertive sentence with the articles, then it starts with what, and if there is no article it starts with how. Majority it happens like this. Okay. Then emphatic, sorry, proper adjective, that is Indian, Chinese, વ્યક્તિવાચક જેને કહેવાય, બરાબર, Japanese, બરાબર, American, like that. પછી emphatic એટલે ભારવાચક. ઓન, ઓનરેબલ, ઓનર, ઓનર, OWNER. પોઝેશન જેને કહેવાય, માલિકી જેને કહેવાય. પછી વેરી ઉપર આપણે બાર મૂકીને ઇઝ વેરી સ્માર્ટ, બરાબર, એ વેરી છે, બરાબર. પછી નંબરમાં તમે ફર્સ્ટ, સેકન્ડ, થર્ડ, 100, થાઉઝન્ડ્સ, ક્રોર્સ, બિલિયન્સ. ઓકે. ઇન્ટ્રોગેટિવમાં બધા WH. ઓકે. દેન પોઝેસિવમાં બધા શું આવે? આઈ મી, માય માઇન્ડ વાળો પેલો કોઠો છે આપણો છે એ, બરાબર, એના રૂપો આવશે, બરાબર. પછી વર્બમાં, વર્બ આપણે જોઈ લીધું, વર્બ ઇઝ સીન. નાઉ adverb. Here I think we reached. Okay. Am I right? અહીંયા પહોંચ્યા ને? Now this is okay. Fine. Okay. Now this is very important, children. Either you say adverb or you can say adverb clause. I'm teaching you both the things simultaneously, right? Adverb and adverb clause, both. Okay. Now what is there in the clause? As far as your clause is concerned, right, there will be two types of sentences, that is main clause and subordinate clause. Okay. The sentence with the connectives, that is conjunction, whatever sentence comes, that is known as subordinate clause, right? And before that or after that, whatever statement is given or sentence is given, that is known as main clause. And main clause is always concerning to subordinate, and subordinate clause is always concerning to main clause. Okay. But here we are not talking about clause, but here we are talking about adverb. Adverb means simple adverb I am not talking. Simple adverb, if you want to make तो क्या करना है, y and ly you have to add, right? Before that I told you, if you remember, right? જો તમને યાદ હોય તો મેં તમને પહેલા કીધું હતું that you have to add y and ly suffix, then you can make simple adverb. Okay, for example, beautiful, beautifully, right? Honest, honestly, right? Or honest, honesty is also there, right? So that can be, it is known as adverb. But here the concept is something different. થોડો અહીંયા concept અલગ છે. Here we have to use according to the types different conjunctions. Okay, that is called adverb. Okay, here you can see the definition here, children. Definition is like that: the word which adds something extra in the meaning of verb, adjective or noun. Listen, here I have not added, but noun you can add here, right? The word which adds something to the meaning of verb, adjective, noun, it is called adverb. Okay, here there are types of adverb is there. You can see about here the types of adverbs. Types of adverb means here you can see there are many types of adverbs. See, around 9 or 10 are there, right? Adverb of time, સમય દર્શક જેને કહેવાય. Adverb of time માં ઘણું બધું આવે છે ભાઈ. So many conjunctions are coming in adverb of time, right? If you are sitting with a notebook, then write down in adverb of time the connectives are કાળ દર્શક નહીં ગણવાના, સમય એટલે કાળ ઇન ધ સેન્સ સમયને લગતો છે એ બરાબર, પણ એમાં ક્રિયા વિશેષણ ખાસ ગણવામાં આવે છે. એડવર્બ એટલે ક્રિયા વિશેષણ ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય એને, રાઈટ? તો એડવર્બ ઓફ ટાઈમમાં આટલી વસ્તુ આવે, જુઓ સાંભળજો હું કહું, આટલા કનેક્ટિવ્સ આવે એડવર્બ ઓફ ટાઈમમાં, બરાબર? એ અહીંયા તમે નીચે જોઈ શકો છો. અહીંયા આપણે ખાલી વેન લીધેલું છે, પણ આટલા બધા આવે છે. મેં એક્ઝામ્પલ જ લીધા છે આમાં. When, while, okay, then till, until, before, after, as soon as, no sooner, hardly when, આ બધા જ એમાં આવે. Adverb of time, there are so many connectives. As you, all of you are writing connectives, you are not familiar with this. We are considering only at sometimes when and while. We are considering two things only, right? We are familiar with these two only. But as far as other connectives are concerned, here you can add when and while equal meaning. Where you can use when, similar way you can use while also. જ્યાં when નો ઉપયોગ થાય ત્યાં while નો પણ ઉપયોગ થાય છે, right? Then as soon as. As soon as is always majority used in the beginning of the sentence, right? So write down everybody structure of as soon as. Please get it off. Structure of as soon as. Necessary to type here, or you can write by if I am speaking. Then are you able to write? Now see, as soon as, no sooner and hardly when. These three will be exchanged into each one. Means if you change the sentence of as soon as while making it negative, it always changes into no sooner only. You cannot change by adding not or any other negative words. Okay, બીજા કોઈ નેગેટિવ વર્ડ્સનો ઉપયોગ કરીને તમે એને નકારમાં ફેરવી શકતા નથી. And if you want to make compound sentence of that, you have to use hardly when. Okay, hardly when. Understood? The sentence of as soon as. So first of all, write down the connectives when, while, then as soon as. After that, take no sooner dash dash then. No sooner dash dash then. Dash dash means tap, you know. And then hardly dash dash when. Hardly dash dash when. Then you can take another one, that is till, until. Till, until, and before, after. Okay, these are the connectives. Okay, You are familiar with when and all that, બરાબર? When નો એવો નિયમ છે, after when whatever sentence is there, if it is in simple past, then next sentence will come in past continuous tense. I repeat, after when, if the sentence comes, when પછીનું વાક્ય જો સાદા ભૂતકાળમાં આવે એટલે કે સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટમાં આવે તો સેકન્ડ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ તમે જે જોઈનિંગ કરો છો it is always coming in present continuous tense, right? This is a rule, and similar rule will be applicable in while also. while માં પણ આવો જ કંઈક નિયમ લાગુ પડે છે. Ready? Understood? Is it clear? For example, you can write example is like this: when I opened the door, comma, my friend was standing. જો થઈ ગયો ને, ચાલુ ભૂતકાળ થઈ ગયો. My friend was standing in front of me. Okay? When I opened, OPENED, that is past tense, simple past. When I opened the door, comma, my friend was standing in front of me. Got it? So you can use while also in place of when. તમે when ની જગ્યાએ while નો પણ ઉપયોગ કરી શકો છો. Okay? So as I told you, it is similar one. A similar છે. The same way here, another rule for while, only while. Listen, only while. Before while, if the sentence is from simple present, listen, the while connective will be used in the middle of two sentence. બે સેન્ટેન્સને અલગ કરીને વચ્ચે while લખી અને જોઈન કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, તો એનો નિયમ શું છે? Before while, when there is simple present, after while the sentence will come in present continuous tense. Got it? શુદ્ધ ગુજરાતીમાં સમજાવું તો while પહેલાનું જે વાક્ય છે એ સાદા વર્તમાન કાળમાં હશે, તો while પછીનું જે વાક્ય છે એ હંમેશા હંમેશા always બરાબર ચાલુ વર્તમાન કાળમાં જ આવશે. For example, you can use negative sentence, assertive sentence, there is no concern. Okay, I'm using negative sentence. Don't disturb me, don't disturb me while I am reading. See, okay, don't disturb me while I am reading. Got it? Everybody is writing? As soon as વાળું જે વાક્ય છે, when you use as soon as in the sentence, right? After as soon as, always simple past comes. After as soon as, majority simple past comes. And even second statement also will be simple past only. સમજાઈ ગયું? એટલે કે as soon as પછીનું જે વાક્ય છે એ સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટમાં આપેલું હોય તો બીજું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પણ સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટમાં જ આવે છે. This is a rule. ઓકે, તો તમે એનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર લખી શકો છો. If you want, સ્ટ્રક્ચર લખો as soon as plus subject. Everybody is writing? हाँ, as soon as plus subject plus V2 means past form. V2 plus object. First statement over. Okay, then comma. Second statement structure is again subject. Don't write again. Only subject. Subject plus V2 plus object. Okay. It means that both the sentences are coming in simple past only. બંને સેન્ટેન્સ સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટમાં આવશે. Okay, understood? Now I'm giving one example to you. As soon as, write down the example. As soon as I got the news, as soon as I got the news of my friend's death, my friend's apostrophe s, friend's death, comma, I started very soon from here. I started very soon from here. Sentence clear? We are changing this statement of as soon as into no sooner than. Listen. While making it negative, it means that as soon as no negative no sooner ma જ થાય. Listen carefully. As soon as વાળું જે વાક્ય છે એને નેગેટિવમાં ફેરવો એટલે no sooner નો જ ઉપયોગ થાય. You have to use no sooner only. It is a rule of grammar. Right? So write down the structure of no sooner. Little different structure is there. Should I start? Everybody is ready? Yes? No sooner, write down, no sooner plus did, did, dance India dance, did. No sooner plus did plus subject plus V1 means past form will be changed into V1. I am repeating once again. No sooner plus did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus then, THAN, no THEN, THAN, then plus second statement means second sentence. There will be no change in second sentence. Second sentence માં કોઈ change થતો નથી. It will come as it is. मतलब કોમા પછીનું જે કંઈ વાક્ય છે ને એમાં એ તરત જ ધેન પછી એમને એમ એડ કરી દેવાનું રહેશે. એમાં કોઈ ફેરફાર થશે નહીં. ઓકે, જે રીતમાં આપેલું હોય એ જ રીતમાં મૂકી દેવાનું. No sooner did I get the news, no sooner did I get the news of my friend's death, then THAN, then second statement add, no change. After then you have to write the second statement as it is without changing કર્યા વગર. Okay, this is negative of as soon as, એટલે કે as soon as વાળા વાક્યનું આપણે નેગેટિવ કર્યું, રાઈટ? ઓકે, अच्छा जस्ट डू वन थिंग, as soon as ऊपर जरा हेडिंग लखी नाखो, as soon as with past tense, जरा हेडिंग करी नाखो ऊपर. as soon as આપણે લખ્યું ને એની પહેલા નાનકડું એક હેડિંગ લખી નાખો, as soon as with past tense. Okay, then we will see about simple present also, what changes are there. Now we are making which sentence I told? Complex sentence. That is will be with hardly when. Okay, what it is? Hardly when. Okay, now write down the structure of hardly when. Hardly plus had, HAD, hardly plus had plus subject plus V3 means past participle, V3 plus object plus when, WHEN, plus second sentence means there is no change after when. Whatever sentence is there, same you have to write. Okay, second sentence means you have to write the same sentence which is given in as soon as. Clear? ચેન્જીસ જે કંઈ થશે ને એ પહેલા વાક્યમાં થશે, બીજા વાક્યમાં નહીં થાય. રેડી? Now write down this hardly when. Hardly had I got the news of my friend's death when, then join second statement. Second statement join कर दियो when પછી.